What's up guys, I'm John at Go Fast Campers, and today we're going to show you how to delete a antenna off a 2016 Plus 4runner. Alright, first thing you're going to need a multi-tool. We recommend a Phillips head screwdriver, some shears, and some of these little grips can sometimes make it easy. What I've done is I've taped off the area. I laid a piece of plastic down to kind of cover it just in case this tool were to slip out of my hand. I'm not going to ruin the paint or anything. All right, next step, we're going to take our multi-tool here and we're going to just shave the top of the shark fin off. All right, once you've shaved the top off, just about a ½ inch, you're gonna take your shears and you're gonna cut down the spine of the rear of the shark fin. This can be a little tricky, so just kind of work your way down, be gentle. You wanna make sure you don't slip and ding into the roof. And this is where a screwdriver can come in handy. Sometimes you can kind of pry it open to get a little better access in there. And once you're about, I'd say 95% of the way through, the plastic's pretty thin, you can just kind of pop it apart. Once you have the back cut, kind of work the top off. Should all just pop off like that. You're gonna have this white piece on here. This piece is actually screwed in by 4 little screws. So take your Phillips head and just work those out. These are super tiny, so make sure you save them and they don't roll away. Because if you lose them, then you won't be able to attach the delete kit. All right, once you have all the 4 screws removed, the white cap just pops off. Sometimes you gotta work it a little bit. And it's off. You don't need to save any of these. You can just throw them away. All right, give me a second to clean up and then we'll go over on how to actually attach the delete kit. All right, so next step, you're gonna take your delete kit and you're gonna orient it just like this. You're gonna have 4 holes. Just line those up. There's only one way for this to go. It's pretty easy. Snap it in place. You'll hear a little click. If you don't hear a click, that's okay. Take these 4 screws and gently work them back into those screw holes. Putting a little bit of downward pressure on this plate can sometimes make it easy as well, just to make sure everything's seated properly. Working in an opposite pattern, just like you would change a tire, helps equalize the pressure of this thing. So you're getting a good seal, just so there's no water getting in there. All right, once all 4 are on, you're all set. It kind of looks a little funky with these pieces sticking out, but that's how it was designed. No worries on that. All right guys, that's how to install a delete kit for a 2016 Plus 4runner. If you have any specific questions on this, give us a shout at support@gfcengineering.com.